so for UPC codes, 31313131313. Okay, my advice, I would not use a calculator to do the multiplication. You're multiplying by 3, you're multiplying by 1. You literally should be quicker than a calculator when it comes to something like 8 times 1 or 5 times 3. You're going to be given plenty of time to do the test. So my advice is to make sure you have 11 numbers, you don't miss anything, and go through it one more time in your head to make sure everything is matching up. Okay? One of the biggest issues, probably the biggest issue in these problems, is a careless mistake. And then you can add them all up in your calculator. My advice, though, is this. I would do it in my head in my calculator. When I say in my head, I mean combining some like terms here. 3, 2, and 5 is another 10. 9 and 21 is 30. Let's see here. 6 and 6 is 12, and 8 is 20. And then we're left with another 8. And that total is 98. Which means I've got to get to 100. For UPC code, the check digit is what you add to your sum to get to that next multiple of 10. So you do have to write down 2 as your answer. That is the answer. You do have to answer it correctly. Okay. Second one. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. 0 plus 2 plus 27 plus 4, 18, 7, 3, 8, 27, 3, and 3. Go through it again. The 0, 2, 27, 4, 18, 7, 3, 8, 27, 3, and 3. All right. Obviously, the 0 is not part of this. I might do 18 and 8 is 26 and 4 is 30. 27 and 3 is 30. 27 and 3 is 30. 7 and 10, or 7 and 3 I should say, is 10. And we're left with a 2. 102. 110. And the check digit is going to be 8. We're going from 102 to the next multiple of 10, which is 8. 739, 739, 73, 49, 15, 9, 14, 27, 9, 28, and 6. So when I add those up, we're going to go, let's see what we can come up with here. Where I can start combining stuff. A lot of nines make it a little bit more difficult. Let's do this. 27, 9 is 36. 36 and 14 is 50. Let's see here. 49 and 15 is 64. 64 and 6 is 70. And then 28 and 9 is 37. So I get a sum of 157. And I'm going to 150. So my check digit is 7. Seven, 3, 9, 7, 3, 9, 7, 3. 63, 0, 18, 35, 3, 72, 28, and 24. Right away, 72 and 28 is 100. 63 and 3 is 66. 66 and 24 is 90. 18 and 35 is 53. And then obviously the 0 really doesn't count. So 190 and 53 is 243. My next multiple, or my previous multiple of 10, I should say, is 240. So the check digit is 3. So UPC code, next multiple of 10. These two are the bank code, previous multiple of 10. It's integral. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. All right, we get 20, 9, 24, 28, 30, 45, 32, 3, and 4. I'm going to go through that one more time. 20 to 9, 24, 28, 30, 45, 32, 3, and 4. So I'm good there. Right away, 20 and 30 can be combined. That's 50. 28 and 32, that's 60. And then 24 and 9 is 33. 33 and 3 is 36. 36 and 4 is 40. And then I'm left with a 45. So my sum here is 195. So my next number that's divisible by 11. And you can do this by starting at 195, dividing by 11 in your calculator. It doesn't work. 196 doesn't work. 197 doesn't work. 198 is going to work. The outside two numbers sum is the middle number. Keep trying numbers until it works. And then my check digit is going to be 3, because that's what I need to add to 195 to get to 198. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 0, 18, 40, 0, 24, 30, 32, 27, and 6. So 0, 18, 40, 0, 24, 30, 32, 27, and 6. I can get rid of 4 numbers right away. 0, 40, 0, 30 is 7. 18 and 32 is 50. 24 and 6 is 30. And I'm left with 27. I'd argue that's probably a little bit of an easier one. 70, 50, 120, 150. 150 and 27 is 177. So my next multiple of 11 is 187. 1 and 7 adds up to 8. If you notice 177, 1 and 7 adds up to 8. That's not my middle number. Actually, 176 is the previous multiple of 11. We're always going to the next multiple of 11. When the distance is 10, the check digit is S. You write down 10, you will lose a point. To be in 13. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. 2, 12, 1, 6, 1, 27, 5, 12, 8, 12, 2, and 18. Okay. Check it a second time. So 2, 12, 1, 6, 1, 27, 5, 12, 8, 12, 2, and 18. That all works. Okay. So now as I go through it, let's see what we can combine. I'm going to do 12 and 8 is 20. 12 and 18 is 30. Let's do 27, 2, and 1 is another 30. Let's see. 6 and 2 is 8, and 12 is 20. And I'm left over with a 1 and a 5, which is 6. 50, that's 106. I need to get to 110. Next multiple of 10. Try one more. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. 3, 3, 9, 6, 1, 12, 0, 9, 1, 12, 5, and 18. 3, 3, 9, 6, 1, 12, 0, 9, 1, 12, 5, 18. Didn't miss anything. Perfect. We can get rid of the 0, and I'm going to get rid of this 12 and 18. That's 30. I'm going to do 9 and 1. That's 10. I'm going to do 9 and 1. That's 10. I'm going to do 5 and 12, which is 17, and 3, which is 20. And then 3 and 6, which is 9. 30 and 10 is 40, 40 and 10 is 50, 50 and 20 is 70, and 9, 79. I need to get to 80, so my check digit is 1.